Is the new Maserati MCXtrema one of the best track weapons we've seen this generation? What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where over the weekend at the exclusive setting of the Quail, which is an annual celebration of excellence in automotive design and engineering, Maserati unveiled the new MCXtrema, the latest marvel of the Modena-based manufacturer, which is a track weapon. Now, the day of the reveal, I did do a video covering that if you want to check that out as well. But today, I want to show you the high definition photos of the actual MCXtrema walk around with Maserati. Yeah, they released some official photos and I could not help but show these off to you guys. The new supercar is a true track monster with a power of no less than 740 horses. Now that combines bold and elegant design at the same time, not being however intended again for public roads. It's a track weapon. The limited edition, produced in only 62 specimens, already all spoken for, represents the most audacious vision of the Trident. Now, conceived for an exclusive and particularly demanding clientele, the new MCXtrema stands out for its extraordinary performance, which is the essence of made in Italy luxury and unparalleled driving experience. Now, the new jewel of the Stellantis brand, made for vintage car enthusiasts and for the faithful of the Modena-based car manufacturer, promises to be a star of every garage. You can tell here, it lends itself perfectly to unleashing oneself on the most thrilling tracks during private tests, underlining the Modena-based brand's commitment to innovation and excellence. The result is a collaboration between the Centro Stile and Maserati engineering team, where the new MCXtrema is designed to carry on the legacy of the MC12 in the world of racing, marking a new chapter for the future racing productions of the historic Italian brand. Now, David DeGrasso, CEO of Maserati, expressed his enthusiasm for this creation, underlining how the MCXtrema, well, it represents a new direction for the brand. With an innovative design and spectacular performance, the car symbolizes the sporting DNA of the Modena brand and sets new standards for luxury motor production. Now, the new model presented during Monterey Car Week this year is not just a car, but a testament to the Modena-based manufacturer's ingenuity and mystery in the world of luxury cars. Now, unfortunately, we've only seen the renderings of the interior of the MCXtrema, as Maserati hasn't opened the doors of the new track-focused supercar. But when those high-res photos come up of the interior cockpit, I will definitely show you guys what it's all about. Because inside, you'll be shifting a 6-speed sequential racing gearbox with reinforced clutch and paddles on the steering wheel, which transfer power only to the rear wheels by means of mechanical limited slip differential, combined with the MC12's suspension group, 100% derived from motorsport, double wishbone, and combined with carbon ceramic racing braking systems. And every element of the cockpit has been designed like a racing car, with the final result reminiscent of a cockpit of a single-seater. Each instrument has been studied in a symmetrical way, including the split command console positioned on a central carbon fiber structure, which follows the driver's door when it's open to facilitate entry and exit. You also have the icing on the cake of the steering wheel, which is equipped with a 5-inch central display from which you can monitor the car's vital parameters. And you can option this MCXtrema with 2 seats if you want to take someone with you for the thrill. So with that said, a real look at what Maserati calls the MC12 successor. What do you guys think about the MCXtrema in its real life final form? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on how beautiful, radical, and menacing that is the Maserati MCXtrema. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate the love as always, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch and social media links down in the description below. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.